Welcome to Basic Manicure 101. This is a part of our kit. It is the Shea glove. It is for waterless manicures. It replaces the need for soaking in water, cuticle softener, cuticle oil, and massage cream. So one pair comes in a package. That's 2 gloves. You'll take it apart, put one hand in, and then proceed to massage the oils and vitamins into your skin. After about 5 minutes, you're going to go ahead and pull the fingers of the glove up. You're going to get scissors and cut the tips off of each of the fingers. Go ahead and pull the gloves down, exposing your fingertips, allowing you to manicure your nails while the glove is still on, moisturizing the rest of your hand. With the flat side of the cuticle pusher, you'll take it and push back all your cuticles, one finger at a time. After pushing your cuticles back with the pointed side, you can clean out the cuticle area as needed and also clean out under your nails. Now we'll just wipe off the nails with a little piece of paper towel. We'll proceed to take the nail file and file your nails to the desired length and shape. We recommend keeping them low, edges usually slightly rounded. Now we'll take the buffer, buffing the top layer of the nails and the edge just to smooth everything out. Now we'll proceed with the other hand. Just like before, you'll put the glove on and massage the vitamins and oils on your nails and skin. So after roughing the final nail, you'll take the glove and pull them back over the fingers on both hands. You can then proceed to let your nails and your skin get reconditioned from the vitamins and oils. And at this point, you can go ahead and start taking the gloves off, pulling tightly, trying to get some of the conditioners off because there is a lot. And massage your hands together, your fingers, your arms. Always keep your nails neat and moisturized.